Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Chat in Gmail on PC. To turn chat on or off in Gmail, you can open the Gmail on your computer, and at the top right click settings, click setting icon and select see all settings. At the top you can click chat and meet, and next the chat. To turn chat on or off in Gmail, select Google Chat or off. And after done, you can save change. Alright. As you can see, the chat section at the left, just click on it and you can start the conversation here. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.